Welcome back to this tutorial. Now, the first steps before we continue, you have to save your file, the vice body. You must save it if you didn't, in order to continue. So once you save it, the next step is to design the sliding jaw. So to begin with, I have to go to the Insert Components drop-down menu and select New Part. Select this surface. Select Center Rectangle. Go above the origin to see the center line there. Click and leave it somewhere here. Escape. Select Smart Dimension, and as you can see from the datasheet here, it's 25. Escape. Select this line. Hold Control key at the keyboard. Select this line here. Make collinear. The same with this one. Features: Extrude Boss. As you can see, the height of the sliding jaw is 25. So 25 here and select OK.